Tell someone you drive a Subaru STI and you'll usually hear the same joke. When's it gonna blow up? The truth is, these cars can be reliable, but only if you take care of the weak points. One of the biggest? The factory oil pickup. It's known to crack, starve the engine of oil, and end your build before it even starts. So today, we're tackling that with the Killer Bee oil pickup and baffle. The stock pickup is made of thin metal, and it's prone to failure, especially if you drive the car hard. The Killer Bee setup solves that. The pickup is way stronger, and the baffle helps keep the oil where it needs to be during cornering and acceleration. It's definitely not flashy. Nobody brags about their oil pickup at Cars and Coffee, but it's the kind of upgrade that protects your investment and keeps your build moving forward. Have you ever had an oil pickup failure? Drop your story in the comments. Now, here's the thing. This job is totally doable in your driveway. I know because I did it, but I'll be straight with you. It sucked. I spent 3 days on my back under the car. Could I have done it faster? Probably. Would I recommend doing it with the engine in the car? Nope. But it can be done, and if you're stubborn like me, you'll get through it. I'm not going to turn this into a full step-by-step because there are other DIYs out there. But drop me a comment down below if you want to see a step-by-step breakdown, and I will gladly make it. Here's the short version. Drop the oil pan, remove the factory pickup, install the Killer Bee pickup and baffle, and button everything back up. It's simple in theory, but in practice, be ready for tight clearances, awkward angles, and a lot of patience. So, was it all worth the time, effort, and frustration? Absolutely. This is cheap insurance against one of the most catastrophic failures these cars are known for. And for my build, reliability comes first. The goal is to take care of the weak points now, so that when it's time for more power, I don't have to worry as much about the engine letting go. People love to laugh about Subarus blowing up, but with the right reliability mods, your STI doesn't have to be a joke. That's one reliability mod out of the way. Let me know down in the comments which is the next one I should tackle. Then we could get to the fun part of the build.